And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Karol Swan on how canned corn is harvested a little differently than sweet corn. Now Karol is back with a recipe to share, and she is making something with Braunschweiger. Now this is something I had a lot growing up as a kid, and I made sure to give it to my kids, and they like it now too. I think it's a taste that's kind of acquired when you're young, perhaps. What do you think, Karol?
I think so. I think you have to start when you're young, kind of like all things. When you start when you're young, it's good, you're good for life. Yeah, this, my nail technician, who is a farmer's wife, she gave me the recipe. She has teenage kids that she can't keep it in the house enough. So you take Braunschweiger, which is a type of a sausage that's, we've seen it on Facebook. It's popped up on Facebook a lot. Did you grow up with that? You mix some mayonnaise, some Worcestershire sauce, real simple, onion powder, and then I like to add a little sugar. I don't know what it does, but it seems to draw out the flavors. And you just mix and mix and mix. And then if you would like a little crunchy to it, you can add some chopped celery. That seemed to make it kind of give the texture a little, kind of a fun thing. You know how you add sunflower seeds to things to make them crunchy? Well, I decided to go with celery on this. And you mix. And Braunschweiger is essentially a liver pate. Made from the things that aren't used in a lot of other products. So they used it in Braunschweiger. And I think it's an old-fashioned, because I know I am old. My grandma always had it in her refrigerator.
Yeah.
And like I said, it's popped up a lot on Facebook. Did you eat this? Have you eaten this? Do you still eat this?
Right, it might be coming back, and I think, you know, pates are popular anyway right now to serve on crackers, and that's how you're going to display this, right?
Yes, I've got crackers, just a variety of crackers. You can, some places, I don't know if you can buy those homemade gourmet type crackers. I always thought, oh, that would be really good on some of those homemade, some people make those homemade crackers. And then the little bruschetta
those
crackers
are so
or little bruschetta breads.
The
they would
crispy
be
ones.
Delicious on that too.
Perfect. Well, let's see how it looks when it's done.
Well, it's just a nice soft pate. We have it, it's really, really good in celery.
Oh, good
really,
idea.
really yummy in celery. And then on the different crackers, and then we can just kind of spread it on the crackers and go that route.
All right, well, I can't wait to try it. You know, I wish I was over there with you.
Oh, yes.
So I will try some in the commercial break, and
yes.
Of course, I'm sure I will like it, because I like Braunschweiger.
So don't be afraid of it. I know it kind of has a reputation, but do not be afraid. No. As I said, my farm wife nail artist, she said she cannot keep it in the house for her kids.
All right. Well, Karol, that recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you would like to give it a try. Thank you so much for that.
And thank you.